So James, where did you take me?
I took you to Castle Fun Park.
Castle Fun Park. Sounds fun.
Sounds like a park.
There she is, Castle Fun Park.
On this episode, we visit Castle Fun Park. This is, of course, before the devastating flooding that has been going on around British Columbia. Our thoughts are with everybody, and we hope all the communities affected will be all right. Hello, and welcome to our channel. We are James and Tammy. We live in beautiful British Columbia, Canada. Join us as we go exploring by land and water.
So James, where did you take me?
I took you to Castle Fun Park.
Castle Fun Park. Sounds fun.
Sounds like a park.
Sounds like a fun park. That is shaped like a castle. There she is, Castle Fun Park. Well, they are still running them. It says use this door. Oh, there's the laser maze I looked at.
I think this game was inspired by Willie Nelson.
Why?
Because he was the king of the road.
Oh, and the shooting gallery. There you go. Fun for cars. It looks like it's closed.
$10? You okay?
Here. It bounced back and hit me in the forehead.
Even after taking that hit, I still wanted to have fun.
I got 13. Oh, it came up. $13,650, I think.
Ready?
Let's start. Good job, babe.
They win. That was hard. How much money I got in my card?
$6.
Huh?
I'm getting hungry. Let's spend your money.
Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.